94 decibels. That's probably how your shop vac sounds. It's pretty loud. You don't even want to turn it on. But I did find the quietest shop vac on the market that you can buy in the US right now. This is a DeWalt Stealthsonic. Now they claim this one is 65 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation. What's great is you don't even need to buy some industrial shop vac that's worth $900. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn this old one back on. I'll show you the decibel readings and then take this one out of the box. We'll not only test out the claim of 65 decibels is accurate. That's around what a normal conversation should sound like. So if you're using this type of shop vac in the garage, you shouldn't drive yourself completely crazy. And I will also test the suction of this vacuum. So I have some dirty carpet in this van and we'll see if this vacuum is not only quiet, but it also works as a vacuum should. I bought this shop vac last night, and this video is not sponsored by DeWalt. This is actually supposed to be the quietest shop vac on the market, and it's the 9-gallon, 5 horsepower, 50% quieter, more powerful, 2.5 times longer lifetime. The new vacuum is set up, took about 3 minutes. I'll take another sound test of this old vacuum and we'll see what it does. And you can't really have a normal conversation with this on. Oh, wow. First, this is really now about the same distance. So around 70 decibels, 69 was the lowest I saw. As you can hear, I can still have a normal conversation with this vacuum on and it's not driving me crazy. All right, it's quiet, but doesn't have good suction. Let's try and see if it can clean up this messy van. As you can see, this vacuum is not only quiet, but also has quite a good suction. And the one thing that will probably surprise you, it's its price. It's not that expensive. I paid $130 on sale right now, and I believe the regular price around $160 for this shop vac. And it is quite rugged. I'll have links in the description below of this very shop vac, a DeWalt Stealthsonic. And what's nice is that it doesn't only come in this size. You can also buy bigger ones that are also very quiet. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to find out how to have a quiet room, video right there will show you how to soundproof a room and make it really quiet for you inside and not bother anybody outside. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, assuming you subscribed.